Welcome to another unboxing from the Mint. Today we're unveiling the adorable Baby Snack 2025 half-ounce silver-proof colored coin. This delightful coin presented in a vibrantly illustrated shipper and a classic display case celebrates the year of the snake. According to the Chinese mythology, babies born during this period are said to be gifted with the snake intelligent, independent, and charm. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity, this 99.99% pure silver coin portrays a colored presentation of a happy young snake curled around a log with a foliage and toadstool. Incorporated in design are the Chinese character for snake, the inscription Years of the Snake, and the Mint P mintmark. The coin's office portrays the jewelry-clad effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, along with the coin's weight, fineness, monetary denomination, and 2025 year date. Secure the perfect keepsake for your little ones with the Baby Snack 2025 half-ounce silver-proof colored coin. With a mintage of 7,500, we recommend ordering soon either from the Mint shop or online at putmint.com.